today's video, which is a requested one, which is how do I shimmy on one leg? Really good question. If you have mastered your shimmy, this might be the next progression for you if you're not ready quite to get into layers, but you want something a little bit different. So if you haven't learned your shimmy before, do that first. I'll link that below, tutorial to that below. Otherwise, coming into our good posture, standing on one leg. So there are a few key things about shimmying on one leg. First of all, remember, whenever we are doing any layered shimmies, the leg that is on the floor is the one that is doing the shimmy. So I'm talking about our knee shimmies here, where we're going in and out with that knee. So you can see from the side, in and out, in and out, in and out. I'm always doing it on the leg that I'm standing on. You can imagine if I'm not standing on this leg, it kind of looks a bit like this. If I'm trying to go in and out with the knee, but the weight's not on there to hold it down. So say I'm coming to the side, still the same in and out movement. A couple of tips. Sometimes people, when they're doing the one leg, because it's not as strong or they might favour one leg compared to the other, it can turn into a really small vibration shimmy. But you still want to keep it nice and big, moving that knee all the way in, all the way out, not locking the knees, but getting that nice big movement. First tip, try it on both sides. You might find one side is a lot easier than the other, and if you just try it on one side, you might think that you can't do the move, but actually you might just need to build it up on that side. Okay, other thing to think about is if you're here for a long time and you want to make your shimmy really big, you can bring the other leg into it. When you're bringing the other leg into it, it's nice to give the illusion that all the weight is still on your supporting leg. So you can see here, it looks like I'm on this side, all my weight's on this leg, but I'm still shimmying this leg. And I don't know if you can see in the video, but it's quite a bit bigger than just one leg. So this is one leg, this is both. This is one, this is both. I find that if you find it difficult to shimmy on one side, then you might find it easier both legs on that side, whereas you might find it easier with one leg on the other side. Another thing, if you're doing both legs, is to keep your toes on the floor so that you just have a little bit more support. Otherwise, if you're up here, it's very hard to keep that shimmy. Same if you're keeping it for a long time. Nice to have both legs on the floor so you can really move those knees. And as always, with our shimmies, the main thing is to practice. So the more that you practice, the more that you build it up, the easier it's going to be. I did a little Instagram post ages ago about practicing your shimmies on the floor, so you're bending one leg and then the other. I've got shimmy workout videos as well, so if you do them, they will help you with your shimmies as well. But the more strength you build up in the muscles and the more you have your shimmy in your muscle memory, the easier it will be. So are you trying to master your one-legged shimmy? I hope these tips helped you. If you like this video, give this a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, happy dancing.